This is a scarf that I got from the Dollar Tree. I really liked the colors. And today I'm going to show you 4 ways that you can wear a scarf in your hair. First, divide into 2 sections. Put the scarf halfway behind your neck and use it as one of the sections of a braid. I'm going to tie it off here. The person that I saw do this video, person I saw do this style first, her scarf was a lot longer than her hair, not surprisingly, and that is not the case for me. So I'm just going to leave a little bit of scarf out and then do the other side. And then wrap it around your head. And if your hair is shorter than the scarf, then you have scarf space to tie, or you could even bring the scarf all the way to the front to tie it off. But I would just pin it or do an elastic or something in the back here. So that is style number 1. Style number 2 is a new way to fake shorter hair. I really like this method. It's not often that I want my hair to appear shorter, but this is a way of kind of wearing it down, but your ends are protected, and you get what looks like a really thick, full hemline. Get to the bottom of my hair, make a loop, and tie it into this loop. Okay, and then thread the scarf through the loop. Okay, so then thread the scarf through the loop and tuck it underneath. And that is style number 2, a way to wear your hair down, really neat and tidy and still be protecting your ends. Third style is something from Instagram. So start with a somewhat high ponytail, and then I'm going to use a topsy tail to put the scarf through it. This is obviously not a real topsy tail. This is a broken knitting needle that I made into my own topsy tail. So I'm going to insert that behind the ponytail and use it to pull the scarf through. Take it a little bit, make sure the scarf sections are even, and then I'm going to divide my hair in 2 and put one of them with each of the scarf pieces. And then I am going to basically tie half knots, or tie knots, literal knots, tying knots in my hair. This is genius.
There's nothing in deep secret at the moment. Yeah. Yep. Thankfully, you don't get a penalty.
And then wrap around, and if you have extra scarf, you can use it, to wrap around and tie, but I don't really. So I will be pinning it tuck that guy in. Alright. So Again, if you do a higher ponytail, it's more of a, like a top knot, and if you have extra scarf, you can make like a little bow on the side, be super cute. And finally, I am going to attempt to do Renaissance style hair taping with this scarf. Which ordinarily I would use a long ribbon for this, so we'll see how it does with the scarf. First is to separately on each side do a crown twist, which is the same as a Dutch rope braid. So start with a section at the top, split into two, twist both sections forward, and then take the front section over the back. Add a little bit of hair to the front section, twist both. This is the part where my fingers get all tripped up. Twist both forward. Twist both forward, this direction, and put the front one over the back one. Add some more hair, twist both forward, and put the front one over the back one. Reach the end of that side, continue it as a regular rope braid, keep twisting the same ways. Okay, now cross them in the back. Around the front, and if you still have more, keep going. And then we're gonna pin them down. You don't necessarily have to keep the pins because the hair taping will secure it. If I had done my Dutch braids neater, then I wouldn't have this big puff at the back. Alright, now I have my scarf, and where did my topsy tail go? There it is. Okay, so I have my scarf, and I'm going to use my topsy tail again for the, as a needle. Start at the bottom of the back. Pull it up so it's almost all in. And then under all of the sections of braid up through some hair that's against your scalp. Pull it all the way through. And since I have such a thick scarf instead of a ribbon, I'm doing much bigger sections than you might do with a ribbon. But it all works to hold it onto your head. Ooh, amazing how well this is held together, considering it's only tape. Okay, finally we can pull this from the top down. And tie the two pieces together. Make like a little bow or something. Then you can take the pins out, because unless you've done a messy job. Okay, and that is a Renaissance style hair taped crown braid. And that is 4 ways that you can use a thin scarf in your hairstyles.